just a little bit of what's going on here. This is all going up to Kirkwood too. As you can see, it got up into my driveway, but didn't get near the house. That's good news. Not so lucky for the people parked on the street, though. Oh boy, those poor guys are flooded out.